Do you want tips to cleverly learn the French alphabet? The French alphabet and the English alphabet are the same. You just need to know the few differences and then apply them to the letters you choose. So let's get into it. The first letter is the I. I'm not joking, it's the main one. E. It's important because I is the letter I. E, I. And really the I, le, E, is the most common and useful and flexible letter. That's the key letter. Then concerning all the consonants like B, C, D, etc. that sound I in English, they sound E in French. B, C, D, G, P, T. And the W is actually a double V, so W. Then the letters that sound A in English sound A in French. A, H, K, except with J, which is J, and X, which is X. Besides, many letters are the same in English and in French. F, L, M, N, O, S, Z, and the letters that sound U in English sound U in French. U, Q, which is by the way a funny letter because it's also your bottom in French slang, but you can't always avoid it when you have to spell words. So when you have to say it, just say it. R is R. It sounds like the French R. R. And the Y is Y, the Greek I. So let me know in the comments if you're able to say the whole French alphabet. And if you can, subscribe to the channel and you won't miss any other clever tips to learn French.